Now, we've got a very strong day in the crypto market, and of course, it's bringing a lot of attention back to meme coins. You can see by the headline here, crypto just reclaimed the $2.5 trillion market cap, and why newcomers are closely watching Dogecoin and, of course, Maxi Doge. We're going to be talking about it in the video today, so if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, and thank you for understanding that YouTube is now run by AI. Well, it is allowing general discussions about crypto, NFTs, and other digital assets. That's all that this video is. It's not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, or guarantee of any kind. It is just you and I talking about the crypto world. Obviously, we're going to be going over this news article here. We're going to be going over some market analytics and some price action. So let's jump right into that. Bitcoin floating right below $75,000. And this is essentially, I believe 76,000 is the high, but this is essentially right around the high that we have hit over the last several months. And if Bitcoin can break back up above this level, sentiment could rise and rise quickly. So that's why so many people are excited, and that's why so many people are closely watching the charts. Of course, there is a lot going on between Iran and the United States. There's a lot going on geopolitically across the entire world, and traders are essentially on the edge of their seats waiting for the next political announcement. These could go extremely well for cryptocurrency prices, or of course, they could go extremely poor for the overall sentiment. So people are sitting there waiting for every little announcement, and you can feel it. Right? You can feel the sentiment. Right now, things seem to be improving, and that's why we've watched the Fear and Greed Index go from fearful levels all the way up to a level of 56 neutrality, which is where we're sitting right now. 4%, 5%, 3%, 3% gains on the day today are also inspiring investors. But let's take a look at what it's doing for Dogecoin. It says the total crypto market cap climbed above 2.5 trillion for the first time since March 18th, reaching a high in that March 18th levels when Bitcoin was sitting at 76,000, the recent high. Reaching as high as 2.53 trillion this morning. For newer investors, this matters because it usually signals that confidence is returning across the market, especially in higher risk areas like meme coins. Now, that renewed risk appetite is showing up in two places at once. Dogecoin is back in focus after fresh technical signal pointed to the possibility of another big move. While in the pre-sale market, tokens like Maxi Doge are gaining traction as buyers look for early stage opportunities before exchange listings arrive. Now, talks a lot about Maxi Doge, but let's first go into Dogecoin. It says one of the biggest reasons for that renewed interest in Dogecoin. On-chain watchers and technical analysts have pointed to a developing setup that could support a larger rally. Crypto investors and data analyst CW posted on X yesterday that Dogecoin is nearing a golden cross, with a signal appearing on the lower boundary of a rising channel. And guys, a golden cross is when the 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day moving average, and this signals a very nice bullish move for technical investors. And of course, if technical investors follow that, it's almost confirmation bias, right? You've got that move, it causes more people to jump in, more people jumping in causes the move to happen. So it's very interesting how technical analysis works. Traders often treat this kind of setup as an early sign that momentum may be building. In some cases, some are even watching for a move as high as $1.70. Think about that, guys. That would be a near 17x increase. 17x increase from the current levels if the rally strengthens. Now, whether or not Dogecoin reaches that target, the setup has already pushed more attention towards the wider Dogecoin category. So if you're interested in Dogecoin or any of these dog meme coins or any crypto for that matter, you get a link down in the description below for Best Wallet. This is where I like to buy and hold a lot of my cryptocurrency, and of course it is free to use. If you're interested in Maxi Doge, you guys got a link for that down in the description. You can check it out, or you could absolutely check out tokens like Bitcoin Hyper. These two pre-sales are doing excellent considering all of the fear in the market right now. Bitcoin Hyper's hit $32.3 million raised. Maxi Doge has hit $4.7 million raised. And they've both done this when the entire market has shown nothing but fear for months. So let me know what you guys think about it all down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.